5. 3-5, baby. Sweet. There she is, 3-5. Nice fish. Keep moving.
Some days I just wanna leave the negativity in my head. I just want relief from my stress. I just want relief from my stress. Some days I don't wanna see you have a bunch of people to impress. I just want relief from my stress. Yeah, I just want relief from my stress. Late nights, staring out the window doing 85. Got my state of mind. Yeah, walking on that gray line, hoping that my stress dies. It's like I hate it, but I love it at the same time. Pressure pushing me from all sides. Insecurities of all kinds. Yeah, I'm a hustler on my own ride. Most important things in life to me and things I know I can't lie.
What's up, buddy? That's right there, man. There it is. That's a nice one.
It's 4 p.m., and Michael, one of the few humans who actually enjoy spreadsheets, has been sitting comfortably at his desk for several hours. Michael has arthritis, but he applies Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel. Voltaren Gel helps you take on your day comfortably. It's the first full prescription-strength, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory gel, now available over the counter. Don't let pain rule your life. Tap now to learn more about Voltaren, powerful arthritis pain relief in a gel.
Yeah, way before I brought you the ring, we were fighting back and forth like you were wearing a thing. Two passionate people not afraid to say what they think. Lead a passionate conversation when it's hard to agree. You know me well, sitting on the edge of my seat, looking at life, overanalyzing everything. Always depressed, trying to find a better version of me. Searching for something I know, probably right in front of my feet. Stubborn as me, maybe not, but you're close to it. Got a lot of issues I'm trying to work through. Going to therapy for you, something that's worth doing. When I know you've been there for me through all of my worst moments, and I know it hurts knowing that I carry this weight on my chest, making it difficult for me to open up and connect. A lot of regrets, I apologize for all of the stress. That's not what I meant to do. You know I love you to death, even if roads break down tonight.
Oh, and then he went.
Hate me,
Damn it.
and we go to what you start. This is love. Breaks my heart. Make me promise you promises. A million
Get out of here.
I mean, why are you laughing? Must have missed that joke. Let me see if I can find a reaction. No, but at least you're happy. It's like we're on the air right